Hi, I decided to create a new playlist for those of you who are interested in learning tarot on a more deeper level. I did made a video years ago where I briefly explain each tarot card, but if you want to learn more than just a few correspondences, for this series of videos, if you are like me, then I would dedicate a notebook specifically for learning tarot card correspondences. I do feel like intuition is very important as well when you do a reading, so you can learn the meanings, and at the same time when you practice before looking into a meaning of the cards from a book or whatever your information source is. Give yourself time and look if you notice any details from the cards that stand out to you. Like dreams, colors, messages and symbols are different for each of us. As an example, I would use blue color in my healing workings because I associate blue with healing. But someone else might use a different color like green because they associate this color with healing, and it doesn't mean that it's the wrong color to use in healing spells. It's just that what works for me might be different for someone else. To be able to read intuitively more accurate, I think meditation is important, or any mind calming techniques. Some readers develop psychic abilities that they use when doing readings, and a great book that I love is Psychic Witch by Matt Orin, as well as combining tarot with oracle cards, runes and other divination tools. You might choose to do readings upright or include reversed cards as well. It's your choice, but when you are learning tarot, I find it easier to use the upright meanings as there are enough messages on the cards without complicating your life by learning another 78 cards. It can get very overwhelming at the beginning, so choosing to read the cards upright only might be a good idea. There are other types of tarot decks, but I will be focusing on the Waite Smith. Now, for those of you that are complete beginners, a tarot deck consists of 78 cards divided in 22 major arcana and 56 minor arcana. Major arcana represent major events that are happening in your life lessons, karmic influences, and big archetypal themes that are influencing your life. The minor arcana cards are the daily events that are happening in your life. They speak of what is happening in your day-to-day life and can offer insight into how your present situation is affecting you and what steps you need to take to manifest your goals. They represent an energy that is moving through your life right now and can be easily changed depending on the actions you take. The 56 minor arcana consists of 4 suits, which are cups, pentacles, wands, and swords. Each suit has 4 court cards and 10 numbered cards. Usually people start learning the major arcana first, but because I find them to be more complicated and harder to understand, I want to start with the minor arcana. I want to dedicate each card one video instead of trying to explain all deck in 1 hour. This way you can learn the cards on a deeper level and understand them better. When you are choosing your deck, it is best to use the Waite Smith Tarot. You can find many editions and choose one that is calling to you. Even if you don't like this deck, if you learn to use it, you can read more easily other decks that are based on this one. This deck was illustrated by Pamela Coleman Smith in 1909. It's a very popular deck, and many other decks that you find are based on this one. I believe the original Waite Tarot is the one with the blue back. I don't have one to show you. Mine is the borderless edition called Centennial, but there are many other editions to choose from. I'm going to start with the Pentacles suit. As I said before, each suit has 10 numbered cards, and here are the meaning for each number. 1. Aces are new beginnings, opportunity and potential. 2. is balance, partnership, and duality. 3 is creativity, groups, and growth. 4 is all about structure, stability, and manifestation. The 5 is change, instability, and conflict. 6 communication, cooperation, and harmony. 7 represent reflection, assessment, and knowledge. Number 8 is about mastery, action, and accomplishment. Number 9 is fruition, attainment, and fulfillment. Number 10 is completion, end of a cycle, and renewal. The court cards are the pages, knights, queens, and kings. They often represent people or personality traits. Think of the court cards as a family. We have the father, king, mother, queen, a teenager, knight, and a child, page. The kings and queens, I see them as mature adults. The knight could be a teenager and the page a child. When you get court cards in your reading, don't assume that if you get a page, it has to be a 9-year-old child. It could be, but it could also be an adult that has a childlike personality or is acting childish. Also, a king could also represent a mature woman. It doesn't have to be a male. Pages are curious, spontaneous, exploring new qualities. They can also represent new beginnings and initiation. Knights are adventurous on a mission. It can also mean progression towards a goal. Queens draw energy from within. They are nurturing, receptive, subtle, control, and grounding. Kings are authorities, controlling, domination, decisive, mature, and established. The suit of pentacles represent your finances, work, and material possessions. The pentacles often appear in readings about career and financial wealth. It's also about gifts, career, education, and health. The suit of pentacles represent the element of earth. Astrological signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. It is also associated with the root chakra, which is responsible for our sense of safety and security, as well as family and physical belongings. The Ace of Pentacles. In the yes or no question, the answer is yes. This card depicts a hand emerging from the clouds, presenting you an opportunity associated with wealth, business, and manifestation. You have the opportunity to accept this offer and turn it into something meaningful. You can also see in this card a garden with green grass and white lilies. There is a path that leads to an archway wrapped in flowers. Beyond the archway, you can see mountains symbolizing challenges. This card is telling you that it's the right time to move forward with your career and financial ambitions, even if you will encounter challenges in your way. In general, the Ace of Pentacles is a very positive card in a reading. It represents a new business venture, good luck in business and career. It's the card of the golden opportunity. It can also represent financial stability and wealth. It's career opportunity, financial new beginning, good luck, financial stability, profit, abundance. The hand is coming from the clouds, presenting you a gift, an opportunity, money, houses, promotions. This card represents potential for changes financially. You may receive a new job offer, an unexpected sum of money, a new business or investment opportunity coming your way. This card shows you a new opportunity, but it doesn't guarantee its manifestation. It all depends on the decision that you make if you want to take this opportunity and work towards your goal. This card also signifies abundance in all areas of your life, such as happiness, fulfillment, potential, and love. This card is typically a good sign in readings regarding career, work, and finances. If you are looking for a job and you get this card, it tells you that soon you will receive an offer. Because aces are about new beginnings and opportunities, this card may show you that these opportunities may recently come up rather than existing ones. If you want to open a new business and you get this card, it lets you know that this idea has potential. If you are already employed, this card can indicate a job promotion, salary increase, or a new high profitable project. Personality types. The Ace of Pentacles is action-oriented, business-minded, practical, and grounded, as well as entrepreneurial. He or she can see opportunities to expand wealth and financial success. He is highly goal-oriented and has plans to manifest those goals. It's a person who would start a new business, invest in the shared markets, and launch new projects to increase wealth. His or her life is excited, filled with opportunity and abundance. About relationships and love. In a love reading, if you are looking for love, this card shows you a new opportunity coming your way. So you will have the opportunity to meet someone with the potential to fall in love or to start a new relationship. And because it's the Suit of Pentacles, it can be that you will meet that person at work or meeting someone that has the same career interests as you. This card is also about manifestation, so it can indicate that if you have your sights set on meeting someone, then you will. The Ace of Pentacles is about new beginnings and opportunities, so it is up to you to make these connections happen and keep them going in the long term. The card is just showing you that there is a chance that you may meet someone, but will you have a long-term relationship with that person is up to you. If you are already in a relationship, the card may suggest that the two of you may start a business together, maybe even combine your finances and buy a new home and things like that. Spiritually, the Suit of Pentacles generally have a strong connection to the material world. But this card can also reflect abundance and wealth in a spiritual sense. It may also indicate that investing in knowledge like books or courses that will help you attain your spiritual aims. In well-being and health readings. In a health reading, this card may suggest that you may hear about a new innovative way or a treatment to improve your health, but it's very important that you do your research to assure your safety. Most likely this new treatment that you haven't considered will benefit you, but it's never a bad idea to inform yourself and make sure that you are safe and there are no side effects and things like that. I hope you find this video useful. The idea is to dive deeper into each card so that you are able to understand them better. I am creating these videos in hope that someone will find them useful, even if it's just for one person. I wish I had this information when I first started to learn tarot. I remember being very overwhelmed, and 1-hour videos where I can find a few correspondences to each card is not very useful if you are trying to learn tarot on a deeper level. When you understand the cards and what they mean when you are doing a bigger reading like the Celtic Cross and so on, you will be able to easily connect the messages and understand the whole situation better. In the next video, you will learn more about the Two of Pentacles. To support this channel, you can check my Etsy shop. I am selling handmade beeswax candles and many other witchcraft supplies. If you love this type of content, you can subscribe for more. Give this video a like, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for being here and see you in my next one.